Take 2. Alright, so what I'd like to accomplish, so far I've been rolling this up and clipping it to the ceiling with little clips. That's becoming a pain in the ass, but I found that a shower rod was cheaper. So he said you gotta think outside the box, but shower rod, curtain rod, same thing, right? Go for the cheaper one. In doing that, I found a bigger issue. This crack right here is the window, where the window should be on the door, passenger side door. I found this crack right here is holding water. See that? See that water? It's obviously no good. Not good at all. So, and the reason for this is this is bare metal. Anywhere that there is bare metal is going to get condensation, especially when I turn my little buddy on. Produces a ton of condensation. Alright, so I've established that cooking on this table, with it being cold and obviously the exposed metal always condensates. That's the whole point of the insulation and the reflectix. Now that I've established that, I am going to do kind of an experiment. I heard on another guy's channel, I don't remember who it was, I think it was Chrome Valdez. There's a couple living in Canada that have no insulation whatsoever. They used undercoat, strictly undercoat, and they promise that they do not have any condensation on the bare metal whatsoever. So, you saw it full of water. We'll see what happens. Alright, so what I've done is put the curtain rod up there. It's hard to see. That one's already in. I just cut the liner. Just cut a small little hole. Cut a small hole for the curtain rod to fit in the actual liner. And then I'll just spread it apart and put it up there. Alright guys. Here it is. This is the old curtain that I've not cut completely off yet. And untuck all the old curtain. You see the rod in there. It's cut right through. And stretched it out. I did the same on both sides. Tuck that in there. Now that is much easier than rolling that thing up and down every night. You come to realize repetitive stuff like that really starts to suck. But you can only find that stuff out by living in it. That's where we are so far. And then out here, I sprayed one layer of the rock guard, and I didn't hit this per se. This doesn't condensate. This does not condensate. It's not touching, it's not the outside metal. Only this. This part is where the window should be, is what condensates. We'll see if it works.